everybody. Hello everybody. We're playing a new game called Junkyard Truck. I'm starting a new save. I've already played this once, but let's just go ahead and hop right into it because I've been dying to record a video on this game. So, okay. Now if I remember, oh yeah. Go up here. Yeah, we gotta get this stupid truck. No, I don't want to save game. Okay, I'm pretty sure. Where is my car? There is the pile of dog crap. Whatever. I really don't want to have to drive this thing. It's such a dog butt. But, I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess, right? So, let's go ahead and see what we can get done here. Now, I'm using a totally legit camera. I've never heard of the brand before. It's just, we had it laying around, and I thought it would be better to... I already have a YouTube channel. It's called Storms Gaming, but oh gosh, you could hear me. There's a YouTube channel already called Storms Gaming. I cannot find it anymore. I don't know where the heck it went. It just does not exist anymore. And it's getting ready to thunderstorm on top of us right now, and it's also 8:53 for us. So I'm kind of recording at 9 o'clock, but I guess it's better than nothing. So, I guess let's go and pick up this, whatever, like, is it called, what's the truck called? Please comment on that. I really don't know what the truck's called. Actually, I think he might tell me. Okay. You know how I feel about this guy? Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. What the? Bruh, how does this even happen? Oh.
Seems the form if you want to race. Entry is $50.
Screw you, brother. Oh, I didn't even... Okay. Okay. Yep, that's a sign I should probably just restart the game. Okay. Let's get this over with. I forgot to grab the money. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is what I need, right? I have power. Okay, do I have power? Okay, I have power box now. Okay. Wait, did I say what that was? 1992 Diamondback. That's nice to know. Okay. Screw that thing, bro. Let's just get this over with. Okay. You're gonna drive me crazy. Come on. Come on. I will shut this door. I don't know. I will stay here this whole entire save, or the whole entire day of the game, and just try to slam this door. Oh, I got it, okay. Come on. You can do it. Forget it. Stupid. We're already 4 minutes in and I haven't even got the freaking truck yet. And I think my car just exploded. That's fine. Whatever, bro. I don't care if my door don't shut. No. Bro, not even spacebar works as the brakes. How? What? Dude. Oh my freaking gosh. This thing's a... Bruh! Why is it smoking so much? This thing sounds like it's getting ready to fall apart. Oh, great. No, no, I'm going way too fast. I'm going way too fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my. What even is happening at this point? Like, I don't even know. Okay, you hunk of junk, let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot about the cops. You know, I don't really feel like having to do that. Like, I don't even feel like doing it. It's not even worth it. Like, I don't even want to go and do moonshine and crap like that. Like, why? Just make the money the easy way. Plus, that stuff's not even worth anything. Tobacco's not worth anything either. Okay, no, nope. Okay. I almost just died again. Oh gosh. You know, this is why you shouldn't let me drive. This is why I don't need a driver's license. Good enough. Okay, I'm here. Ignore that. That's normal. Give me my freaking truck, buddy.
You hear about the truck? You picked the right day.
Why you so chonky, bruh?
Okay? I'll have it delivered to your place tomorrow morning.
You serious right now, bro? You serious? I did all of that and I have to wait till tomorrow to... Okay, let's go ahead and get a view of what parts I need. Sir, where is the radiator? You can't buy a radiator.
These trucks just really coming.
Shut up, bro.
I'll always have a lot of shit here that's compatible.
Shut
And
up.
if you can't find what you want, check back in a day or two.
Okay. Sir, where's the radiator? Where's the hood? Okay, I need an air filter, fan belt, spark plug wires. Okay. What? Bruh. Dude, what, does he have anything? I wonder if he has the stuff that I need to fix it. Oh yeah, I also need the timing gear. I don't really feel like fixing that thing right now. Do you might have a chance of maybe having the parts that I need to fix my truck? Well, bro, I don't really have the money to like buy this stuff. Oh, wait, what? Hey, it's free. Is that a start? That's a freaking brand new starter right there. It's only $26. Are you serious? I have to come back for that. Gosh, that's a steal. So I'm not seeing anything. I guess let's go and I don't know. Let's go gamble. That sounds like a better idea. He don't have crap. He only has like 4 parts. Probably because I don't need any parts yet because I don't have the truck. Whatever. Okay, I hope I might have enough to afford what I need. Don't tell me what to do, game. I'm just gonna go and buy the parts and do what I need to do. Now, I probably don't have enough money because I only have $70. I know you all can't see that, but I can't help it. Because this camera does not have a very good field of view. Shut, bruh. This car sounds like a pile of poop. Dude, this thing. Wait, brother. Okay, nope. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay. I think that's a good parking job. Okay. I need spark plug. Holy, $20? Brother, I can't afford that. Give me a second. Do. Okay. Spark plug wires acquired. What did I need? What else did I need? I didn't write this down, so. Was it timing gear or was it cam gear? I want to say it was cam gear. I can always come back. Okay. What else I need to do? Air filter? Yeah, that's right. Air filter. Okay. Shut up! Air filter... fan, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Oh yeah, also the radiator was missing. Is there a radiator in here somewhere? It's a winch. I ain't got $24,000, bruh! Trying to put me oh, a V8. V8? Bet. How am I supposed to get that? Radiator hose? What's an i6? Wait, is that... Oh, that's the new update engine. I forgot. Oh, yeah, fan belt. You probably heard that thunder, I feel like, guys. Okay. Oh, the door actually shut this time. Wait. Please don't die on me now. I'm gonna go and fill this thing up with gas. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna fill it up, be able to fill it up all the way. I don't have enough money to afford anything. Boy, this car sounds like a... This car is going to get me killed. I don't know how much fuel I really need to get, so... whoopsie. I'm just gonna get... how does that... What? You've more than doubled value of... Okay. Let me pay for my gas. Ooh, lottery ticket. 10. That's a scam, bro. 10. Let's go, man. I won $10. You know, I need this while we're here. Save game. Let's go to sleep. Hopefully my truck will be here, bro. Where's my truck? I want to see it. Where's it at? Okay, bro. But the battery and the radiator here, why is the battery dead? Why is it doing that? Let's just see if it starts. It probably won't, but let's see. Oh yeah, I don't have spark plug. Whatever. No, it sounds like it's dying. Hopefully we can fix that. Okay, let's go ahead and see if I can put this thing together. Can I do this right? Is that right? Yes, okay. Now, I really don't know where this goes. Excuse me, but how does that make any sense? Okay, whatever. Let's go. Air filter? Yeah, let's get the air filter next. I have $10 left. That was a lot of money. We need a fan? Yeah? I think. Well, I'm pretty sure we need a fan. Why wouldn't we need a fan? I didn't buy oil or, Well, hopefully this pile of crap will start. Is it running? Oh, it's running. Let's go, bro. My truck runs. Okay, I guess let's go and pull it on the garage and change the color. Okay. Making a nice white. Not bad. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. We got the truck running and all the parts we need for it. One day we probably need to do a full engine rebuild, but I will see you all later in a future video. Hopefully another one will come out this week sometime.